guys, so today I am deciding to 3D print some end caps for all these load bars on my FJ Cruiser. I bought all these load bars from Motop, but they didn't come with end caps and they had to be cut. Since the car is so nicely painted, I wanted to redesign it and somehow put end caps on here. Alright, so using Fusion, I'm able to design this, which gives me the actual design, and I measured it all up. I did do a test print, and unfortunately it was a little bit too large, so I had to redesign it a little bit. So this was the first print. It came out okay, but it was just slightly too large for it, so it didn't fit. But now I've redesigned it again to give you a better idea and gives that perfect shape, and the printer is currently printing it. So I've sent them all off to the printer to get these end cap printed, and this is what the printing is doing at the moment. So I am printing them out of PETG, and this is with the logo design on it. So it's actually really easy to do, and the design came out perfect. Let's see how it looks on the car. So design some end caps that go on my load bar. Design these that fit, and turns out really nice with the logo on the load bars. They look nice, professional and clean. So at my 3D printing station, as you can see, I am 3D printing those end caps now, and the design with my logo is on it. Hopefully they come out all right. Let's have a look. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and they're coming along nicely and they're almost done. So we'll take them out, take all the supports out of it and put them on the car and see what it looks like. All right, print is all done and dusted. Beautiful. So now I just have to take these apart and put them on the car. Alright, so because these are printed with a face plate like this and then it goes through, it obviously prints supports to help support the floating faceplate. So we have to break these off, as you can see. So I take some pliers and just either crack the supports and then slowly pull them out. And they generally come out pretty easy. This one, however, is not playing ball. There you go. So it cracks open like so, and voila, boom, just like that. So I'll do this 7 more times because there's 8 up there, and this is what you're left with. Alright, there we go, all done. That goes in the rubbish bin, and now we have all these thanks to the 3D printer. And there's one there, and they should technically just slide in. Voila! They fit quite nicely, which is good. Now, oh, that one's not happy. This one requires a bit more force. It's probably because the Raptor coating. There we go, that fits. Yeah, it's just a bit of thickness in the Raptor coating, which, voila, perfect. So they all fit nicely and snugged, looks good.